Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to attach and send a folder in Gmail. Uh, since Gmail doesn't let you send an entire folder directly, well, first zip it, then attach it. Super easy. Let's get started. First, open your File Explorer and find the folder you want to send. This could be a project, photos, documents, pretty much anything. Now, right-click the folder. In the menu, hover over Send To, then choose Compress Zipped Folder. That's going to package everything neatly into one single file. With your zip file ready, head over to Gmail and log in. Once you're in, click the Compose button on the left to start a new email. In the email draft, look at the bottom toolbar. Click the little paperclip icon. That's the Attach It Files button. Then browse your computer, select the zipped folder we just made, and attach it. Now, just fill in the recipient's address, add a subject line, type out your message, and double check that the zip file is attached. When everything looks good, hit send, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully attached and sent a folder in Gmail by zipping it first. It's a small trick, but super handy whenever you've got multiple files to share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.